Everyone, I'm going from Tbilisi to Baku, Azerbaijan via road, and I will be actually documenting and recording this whole experience. So I have just taken a taxi, a public taxi to Azerbaijan border from Tbilisi. It cost me $15, and now I will reach the Azerbaijan border, and then we'll cross the border and we'll take another transportation to Baku, Azerbaijan. So all the experience I will be recording and documenting, so you can also have idea in the future. So guys, just reached the Georgia-Azerbaijan border. It took 1.5 hours from Tbilisi to reach here. And on the Georgian side, there are shops. You can shop and you can exchange money, and you can take copy and everything. Now I will be going through the immigration, and then on the other side in Azerbaijan. Guys, just passed through the Georgian immigration successfully, and now you can see this is the Georgian flag and there is an Azerbaijan flag. So now going toward Azerbaijan. So guys, this is the Republic of Azerbaijan side on the border. It is a nice border crossing without any hassle, at least at the Georgian side. So now just going to the immigration of Azerbaijan. So guys, now I'm in Azerbaijan, and the Azerbaijan migration process was also very easy, and this truly looks like an international border. So now I'm inside Azerbaijan territory, and actually it is a Muslim country, but it is very secular and liberal. So I will be now actually looking for transportation to Baku. Guys, on the Azerbaijan side there is nothing much, just a shop for snacks and some cars, some transportation, no money exchange and nothing, and people also cannot understand English properly. So this is the situation on the Azerbaijani border. Guys, on the Azerbaijan side I have booked this taxi. This is a shared taxi and I booked it for $40 almost. So this whole trip from Tbilisi to Baku will cost around $70 by road. So basically the thing is that the same price you can go by year, you know, and just you will reach in 1 hour. This taxi you can see right here. All the other taxis are also here. This is a shared taxi. For the same price you can go to by year. I mean, it will take 1 hour from Tbilisi to Baku by year. But since the road trip has its own fun and you will see all the scenes on the way, that's why I'm taking this trip. It is a kind of adventure. So guys, I have just started the journey towards Baku from the Azerbaijan border here, and the guy says it will take 5 hours to reach there. I don't exactly know what will it take, but let's see, and we'll show you the scenes and roads of Azerbaijan as well as I showed you the Georgian. So let's see and enjoy the road trip from Tbilisi to Baku.
That we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories are faded away and our flowers in the dry. My heart takes one beat out of two. I am already through. I am already through. Remember what you used to say, that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories are faded away and our flowers in the dry.
the journey from Tbilisi to Baku by road finally came to an end. I am now in my hotel here in Baku, Azerbaijan, and I hope you enjoyed the trip, the road trip from Georgia to Azerbaijan. So if you are someone who is adventurer like me and taking tours by road, then you definitely should go for the road trip from Tbilisi to Baku. I have shown you all the things. It all cost around $70 for the fares and extra $10 for eating and drinking and things like that on the way. So for the same price you can get a flight, only 1 hour flight from Tbilisi to Baku. But if you like adventures, then you should go for this tour, and it was a great tour actually. And basically the journey was amazing. I mean, all the roads, the infrastructure and the scenery on the way, everything was just perfect and fine. So thank you for watching, and visit my blog flyingtoworld.com, which is on the screen. I will be sharing this whole story with all the details on the blog as well. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more travels and trips like this, adventures. So see you again with another attraction.